Hey, this is Ross from ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we're starting a 3-car garage. What we're going to do with this garage, we're going to do a full diamond grinding, fill these expansion joints. We're going to remove this glue that's left over from the VC tiles that were on the floor. And we're also going to put in a baseboard. So we're going to come over the edge here and we're going to tie all this into the floor. And in the end, the baseboards are really going to tie this whole floor together. So the customer actually has a couple cars that they wanted to match in a vein color-wise. So they got a couple pony cars here, I guess you call them, I don't even know. But anyway, so we're going to smooth out this lip, we're going to come over here, we're going to round this off, and we're going to make this a beautiful showpiece garage. Okay, so we finished our grind. We had to grind with PCDs to remove the tile glue. So we've done all that. We've sanded and filled our expansion joints, give us a nice seamless surface for the chips. And there was a lot of little divots here and there. There's a lot of hand grinding on this job because we had to get into all the little valleys and pick up the carpet glue that was in there. As you can see, there was a bunch of dots that we filled. So now I had mentioned earlier that we're going to do baseboards on this job. So what we do is every job has a different color wall. So this particular garage happens to be a dark color. So whether it's white or dark color like this, what we do is we prime the baseboards with the same color as the epoxy. We put an epoxy primer on here so that ultimately the chips are going to match the floor. So we're going to have gray epoxy on the floor with our chips on there, and then we're going to have epoxy here too besides the primer, but everything's going to match real nice. We're not going to get no bleed through from particularly from the dark color. So this color we're doing, actually the customer wanted a custom blend, and that's what they got, and that's what we're going to put down. Thanks for watching. We'll be back. Okay, all done. Here we go. Nice seamless floor. Got rid of all those expansion joints, all those little divots. This is a 3-car, and again they put the baseboard in, which definitely gives it a nice finished look. Nice edge here, and what we did was we rounded over the sharp edge. I think here you can start to appreciate the top coat. And this is what the job looks like throughout, except we just happen to have some sun here. But again, this was a customer supply chip. So the customer wanted a custom blend, and this is what they ordered, and this is what we put down. Job looks great. Thanks for watching.
ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. ProTech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough, and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.